Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool. It's a game changer. A world where AI can see, hear, and understand just like humans. Well, that world is now closer than ever before. Meta, one of the leading tech giants, has just unveiled its next big leap in the AI revolution, Llama 4. What makes it stand out in a sea of AI advancements? Stick around because today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this groundbreaking release. 1. Multimodal capabilities, a leap toward human-like understanding. Llama 4 introduces the game-changing concept of multimodal capabilities. Unlike previous models that focused on text-based AI processing, Llama 4 has the ability to process and generate both text and visual data, marking a significant step forward in the evolution of AI. Imagine having an AI that doesn't just understand written queries, but can also interpret images, videos, and even audio. This shift opens up endless possibilities for applications across industries. For example, think about a scenario where you need an AI to summarize an article, interpret the accompanying charts, and provide insights from relevant images, all within a single response. Llama 4's multimodal functionality allows it to seamlessly interact with multiple types of data simultaneously. 2. Open source flexibility, a platform for innovation. One of the most compelling aspects of Llama 4 is its open source nature. Meta's decision to make this model open source gives developers, researchers, and organizations the freedom to experiment, improve, and deploy the AI in a multitude of ways. Open-source AI models like Llama 4 democratize technology, making it accessible to everyone, from startups to large enterprises. This means that developers can fine-tune the model to suit their specific needs, train it on proprietary datasets, and even contribute to its development. With the power of open-source software, Llama 4 is poised to foster collaboration and innovation across the tech community. 3. State-of-the-art accuracy, delivering precision like never before. Llama 4 isn't just about doing more, it's about doing it accurately. Meta's latest model is engineered to provide a level of precision that sets it apart from its competitors. With advanced algorithms and a robust training framework, Llama 4 delivers highly accurate results even when handling complex queries or analyzing large datasets. Whether you're using the model for natural language processing, computer vision tasks, or data analysis, the accuracy of Llama 4 ensures that users receive trustworthy, high-quality outputs. This feature is especially important for professional environments, where decisions based on AI recommendations can have significant real-world consequences. 4. Scalability and adaptability, built for any application. Another standout feature of Llama 4 is its scalability and adaptability. This AI model is designed to grow with the needs of its users. Whether you're working with a small set of data or handling massive volumes of information, Llama 4 can scale to meet your requirements without compromising performance. This makes it an ideal solution for businesses of all sizes. The model is also highly adaptable, meaning it can be customized and fine-tuned to fit specific industries or tasks. Whether you're integrating it into a cloud infrastructure or deploying it at the edge, Llama 4 ensures seamless integration into a wide range of platforms and environments. 5. Speed and efficiency. Getting results faster, time is money. And with Llama 4, you can expect fast, efficient results. The model is optimized for speed, ensuring that it can handle complex queries in a fraction of the time it would take other AI models. This is particularly important when dealing with real-time applications where every second counts. Whether you're using it for live customer support, real-time data analysis, or interactive gaming, Llama 4 delivers results quickly and efficiently. Its performance doesn't just stop at speed. Llama 4 is built to be energy efficient as well, making it ideal for deployment in environments where resources may be limited, like on mobile devices or embedded systems. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Llama 4 and start exploring its potential today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI insights, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on Llama 4.